Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all this medium perm rod set that I am going to do on my natural hair. As you all saw, I am going to be using the Dew Mousse. This is my favorite foam lotion of all time since this year, and I really love this product. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I actually kept my hair in these sections after I rinsed the deep conditioner out because I wanted to save time without having to detangle my hair as much. I am being a little heavy-handed on this mousse because as I detangle and work my way through my strands, I know that I am going to take some of the excess product off. I am very heavy-handed with the mousse because I know that this one product, perm rod set, is really what's going to have the hold that I need to make this style last at least for a week. As you all can see, I am being very careful with how I roll the perm rod, making sure that everything is smooth as possible on the rod. Whenever I close the rod, I am making sure that that black string is on the side where I can see the most hair. And you all will see me do this again. You really want to roll as tautly as possible. Create a few spirals in there to make sure that you have long-lasting curls. Smooth the hair around on the rod and then make sure it is closed tightly. If you close your perm rod and it doesn't feel tight, switch it to the other side. I guarantee you that you may not be putting it on the side where the hair is. And you want to make sure that you actually put a perm rod in the middle of your head like I am doing here, because that prevents the annoying middle part that most of us hate on a day-to-day basis. As I get to the front of my head, I am still going for those medium-sized sections because this is a medium perm rod set. And I am going to repeat this process by rolling my hair tightly and creating those curls. As you all also can see is that my hair is still holding a lot of water from when I wash my hair. That is because this process is actually going by rather smoothly and quickly. And if I do need to add more water to my hair, I will. But for the most part, it is holding that moisture from me just washing my hair. And if you all were confused about where to put the black string, it is right here, right where their hair is at. That is how you ensure that these perm rods stay in place overnight if you decide to sleep in them. And when I get to the front of my head, I am going to roll these vertically so that when I take the rod out, the curls will hang in my face. This was the hairstyle I was going for originally, but as we get to the end of the video, you all will see how I decided to style my hair. Here is what my hair looks like once all of the rods are in. I actually used less than 40 rods to achieve this hairstyle, so pretty affordable. I am sitting under the dryer because I want to set my hair. Sitting under the dryer allows your hair to fully set. I did go ahead and leave them in overnight only because I knew I had somewhere to be important the next day and I wanted my hair to look very fresh. As you all can see, my hair has a lot of shine, and this is not with me adding any oil. This is just the Dew product itself in my hair, and I am just unrolling those rods. As you all saw, some of them did pop because I am a pretty rough sleeper, okay? But here's what the curls look like. I am super satisfied with the way that they look. It was actually the size I was going for. My favorite product, another one, is this Curl Shine by Talia Wajid. As you all can see, I'm running low, so I popped the top off and I pour it just a little bit in my hands, and I am going to work that into my hair strands just to make sure that I seal the moisture and I get that shine that I desire, because I love shine on my low porosity hair. Once that is done, I am going to begin sectioning off some of my hair just in the front because I was going for a bang, but as you all will see at the end of the video, I ended up doing another hairstyle, but I do want to show you all this quick little hairstyle I created. before we get into styling the hair, I do want to separate all of my curls that are outside of that section that I sectioned off. One thing I like about the Dew Foam Lotion is that it makes it very, very easy to separate. So if you have a difficult time separating twist outs, braid outs, or even perm rod sets or flexi rod sets, this actually really, really helps you minimize the frizz because it has a really, really great hold on it. I am separating each section about 2 to 3 times, 4 if possible, but I am not sectioning too much because I do want this hairstyle to last. So on day 1, I do typically only separate to the minimum because I know that as the week goes on, my hair is going to get bigger and larger and I can separate more as days pass. Here's what my hair looks like separated, and then on the other side you all will see what it looks like not separated. So big difference in my opinion. And once I have all of that separated, I am going to begin putting the back up into a ponytail to kind of give like a updo type of look, but you all will see here. Separate a little bit, and I have kind of like a cute updo, but it wasn't giving exactly everything that I wanted to give, so I did decide to switch it up, take the ponytail in the down back, and as you all can see, the curls are still there. After being in that tight ponytail, my curls are still there, which I absolutely love. But as you all saw in the thumbnail, I did go for a little cute pompadour in the front. What I am going to do to actually set this little pompadour is actually to just clip it back, and then I'm going to grab some more of that mousse, and I'm going to put that mousse on the perimeter of that section and smooth it in. This is one thing that I really, really like about this mousse is that it is not hard on your edges or your hair like gels and edge controls. Throughout the week, I actually use the mousse to set my edges instead of using gels and edge controls, which typically are very, very drying to the hair. So I am going to roll that section very tightly, simple like that. And then I am going to push it up just like that. And then to add a little bit more height to it, I am going to stick my finger in there and just pump it up a little bit more. And I'm only using 2 bobby pins so that it stays comfortable, 1 on each side. And that's it. That is the pompadour in less than 2 minutes actually. And I am just going to fluff out those curls, add a little bit more of that foam lotion to my edges, and I am just going to give a little few slickeroos or slickerization, and that is it. I'm just adding my blow dryer, just going to go over that pompadour and my edges to get it set in place because I literally had to be out of the door within 5 minutes. I'm actually stretching my curls with the blow dryer here, trying to get a little bit extra length as much as I can. And that is pretty much it, you guys, for this hairstyle. I really, really enjoyed having my hair in this curly state because it actually really, really stretches the hair when you do perm rod sets. As you all see, it has a lot of movement, a lot of bounce, and of course, a lot of shine. As always, I really, really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. And if you decide to try out this hairstyle, let me know, leave a comment or tag me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!
Love me like that.